Okay, so hello everyone. Today we're going to be looking at if, elif, and else, as you can see here on the screen. So what are if, elif, and else? First of all, let's go over what you need to know before you come into this video. You'll need to know print, input, and variables. If you do not know what these are, then I recommend you watch my other video, which demonstrates what each of these things mean. Okay, so if you know these three things, let's get started. So, as you can see in this bit of code here, I have printed, "Hi, what's your favorite color?" So if you know what print means, it just prints out text. You can't do anything to that text is just there, nothing else. Then we have variable equals input. You have to have a variable because you cannot have a if, elif, or else without a variable because you like Python won't know what input you're referring to. I know that there's only one input in this code, but Python still will not recognize it. By the way, input always has brackets after it because that's where your additional text goes. In the last lesson, we didn't cover putting additional text in the input brackets, but it's nothing too hard. It just prints out the text, then the input. If there wasn't any text, you would just leave it blank. So now let's get on to what if, elif, and else are. So if and elif are just exceptions. So what do I mean by exceptions? So say when you were younger and you used to eat chocolate, your mum would say, "It is fine to eat chocolate if you brush your teeth afterwards." When they say something like that, I bet they would. And here, the else would be, "You can eat chocolate," and the if would be, "if you brush your teeth." Actually, it's not quite like that. You'll see what I mean. So what does this code do? Every single time, print out "I like red," except if the answer is equal to the text red. Remember, what is answer? Answer is the input to this question, isn't it? So whatever you input here, in this case I inputted green, that will get put into this if, elif, and else. So if the answer is equal to red, then print "I like red too." If the answer is equal to blue, print "I detest blue." If the answer is anything else, print "I like red." That was pretty easy, wasn't it? I don't think it was too hard, was it? If, elif, and else. That just about sums up the video. Please subscribe and like, I guess. Is the second Python made practical video. So show your support by liking, giving constructive criticisms in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Bye.